Hi everybody, I was gifted a very large dog pen. This is perfect for indoors or out. If you put it outdoors, you can put the stakes into the ground. It's been very, very wet here, so I'm actually going to put it together on my patio. So each panel is the same. You can see up close here. You are going to shift them so that you have the high and then the lower tube on top of each other. And then you are going to put the bar through. And voila. So let's put it together. You can put this in many shapes, a square or a rectangle, even in kind of a rounder shape. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is very easy to put together. I sped this up so I did not bore you. The thing that I love about this the most, I guess two things. Number one is that it is very tall. It's 48 inches high. And number two, it is metal. This is so sturdy, and I'm going to show you some close-ups. It has this really nice matte finish to it, and so that's going to really withstand the elements. It is tool-free. You just put the connectors in. Pro tip, you want to make sure that you have it laid out first so you know how these fit together so you can put the door on properly. The latches on this are great. It's easy to open, but yet it is going to stay closed because you have the two latches. I like that as a feature in case you forget to latch one. You can see the pulls here on top. They're sticking up a little bit, but you could push those down into the ground, and let me show you that. You can see you can push this into ground and then it's going to stay put if you have it in the grass. This is so nice and big. You could actually buy a few of these and connect them together to have a gigantic cage. This is really, really nice if you are out camping or if you just want to have your dog outside with you and you want to make sure you know your dog is where he or she should be. So if you are in the market for an outdoor fence playpen, perfect for your RV, for camping, for gardening. This has 8 panels total. It is amazing. I love it. Peppa loves it. Definitely check this one out. 2 paws and 2 thumbs up.